Good morning, boys and girls. Before we get started today, I want to give a special shout out to Eli and Caden and Hudson and Logan and Macy for answering those questions yesterday. I graded them and you all did a super good job. If everybody completes it, boys and girls, then I can put it in as a grade for us in our grade book. And if not everybody does, I'll make sure the people that do it get extra credit or at least get some points for doing that work. I really appreciate it, and it's really good practice for you all. Today, I thought we could do something a little more fun for you all. So, what I want you all to do today is I want you to type in, you go to Google and type in Brain Pop and then theme. And after you type in Brain Pop theme, the first thing that comes up right here, it'll say theme Brain Pop. You don't have to log in to see this video. It comes up for free. And then once it comes up, I want you to watch this video. And it has like a little Star Wars theme. It's kind of cute. And then after you're finished, I want you all to take the quiz. And when you're taking the quiz, I want you all to teach your parents how to do four corners. So like when we play four corners in our classroom, I want you to show your parents how to play four corners, explain the rules to them, show them what we do when we play four corners, and have fun with this while you're answering the questions. If you want your parents to read it to you and you go to the corner like we do in class, you can do that. If you want to put the answers that you said in a comment, you can do that, but you don't have to turn your answers into me today. I just want you all to watch the video and have fun, and we'll read a different fable and talk about the moral of that story tomorrow. So just have fun with this today. Show your parents four corners. I know you miss playing four corners, so make sure that you show them how to do it. Thank you all. Have a fun day. Goodbye.